Look at Max having a lovely bath.
Cold.
Did you need warm water, Max? Good girl, in you go. Back in again, very good. You're loving this, aren't you? Is that a nice bath time, Max?